The bank with a citrus twist. Where's Tangerine from? Ever dreamt of banking on your own terms? No pesky fees, a user-friendly app, and maybe even a name that sounds like a delicious fruit? Well, if that sounds like your financial fantasy, then Tangerine Bank might just be the answer. But hold on a second, Tangerine Bank? Sounds exotic, doesn't it? It conjures up images of palm trees swaying in a tropical breeze, maybe even a refreshing glass of orange juice. But where exactly is this sunshine and savings haven located? For all those curious minds out there, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that ditches the coconuts and dives straight into the world of Canadian finance. That's right, Tangerine Bank isn't some island paradise for your money. It's a frontrunner in the world of direct banking, all the way from the Great White North. Now, you might be wondering, direct banking? What's that? Well, picture this. Instead of those grand, imposing bank buildings with stern security guards, Tangerine operates primarily online and by phone. No more waiting in long lines, no more feeling pressured by pushy salespeople for products you don't need. Tangerine keeps things simple, efficient, and, dare we say, a tad bit more fun. But this story doesn't begin with a digital revolution. Tangerine, believe it or not, has a rich history. Back in 1997, it started life as ING Direct Canada, the brainchild of a Dutch financial group. They saw a gap in the Canadian market, a lack of choice for consumers tired of high fees and low interest rates. So, they brought their direct banking model across the Atlantic, offering competitive rates and a focus on customer convenience. Fast forward to 2012, and ING Direct Canada undergoes a sweet transformation. It's acquired by Scotiabank, a major Canadian bank, and was reborn as Tangerine Bank. The name change reflects a shift towards a more vibrant, customer-centric approach, all while retaining the core values of transparency and affordability. So, why Canada? Well, Canada has a long history of embracing new technologies and financial models. The market was ripe for a challenger bank like Tangerine, one that could shake things up and offer a refreshing alternative to the traditional banking giants. And shake things up they did. Tangerine quickly gained a loyal following, especially among young, tech-savvy Canadians who appreciated the convenience and user-friendliness of online banking. Their focus on fee-free accounts, high-interest savings products, and a commitment to excellent customer service has cemented their position as a leader in the Canadian direct banking scene. Of course, Tangerine isn't the only player in the game. Other direct banks and online financial institutions are vying for a slice of the market. But Tangerine continues to innovate, offering new features and products like investment options, mortgages, and even mobile payment solutions. But is Tangerine right for you? Well, that depends on your banking needs and preferences. If you value convenience, transparency, and a focus on helping you save money, then Tangerine might be a great fit. However, if you crave the personalized touch of a physical branch or require complex financial services, then a traditional bank might be a better option. Ultimately, the choice is yours. But hopefully, this little adventure has shed some light on the curious case of Tangerine Bank, a Canadian success story that proves you don't need a tropical island to find a refreshing approach to your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.